Hi, in this course, I want to teach you customize core group in Videocopilot Saber. Okay, when you click this item, you can see all options from this group customize core. First is a core type. In Saber plugin, we have three core. First is Saber. If you click Saber, here core start and core end enable for you, and as you can see, you can change position of this core. You have just a line, but if you change it to layer mask and after that click your layer and then click pen tool and now create a mask. As you can see, when you create a mask, it creates this saber along your path. Okay, and next is text layer. If you create a text and now type text, for example VFX RZ, after that click your solid and in core type in layer mask select text layer. After that in text layer select this pop-up and now select your text. For example VFX RZ, this is my text. Okay, now turn off showing this text because we don't need this text. Okay, here if you reduce this glue intensity, as you can see it create this saber along this text. Very good. Now here we have a start size. If you reduce that to here, as you can see, this start size start from 0 and change this size to here that 100. Here in end size you can change and this line. Okay, for example end size 100 and a start size 0. Now in start offset, if you increase that, as you can see, you can change start offset like this. And you can use start. If you change it to 2 and in start offset you can see create that start offset. And exactly like this option we have for end size, end offset. As you can see it change end offset, and we have end roundness. When you increase end roundness, as you can see here, it's like roundness. And if you set this to 0 here, you can see we haven't that roundness. Very good. And in halo intensity, if you increase or reduce that, as you can see, you can change this halo intensity. And here you can change halo size. And with core softness, you can soft this core halo. Okay, this group is done. Next group I want to teach you is distillation. I will teach you what is glue distillation and core distillation. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.